Hallo, liebe Zuschauer. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to Learn German Hub and our new lesson, Lesson 11. In this lesson, we'll focus on the topic of personal pronouns and nouns. Personal pronouns and nouns are fundamental elements in the German language and are crucial for understanding and communication. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow learners, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our lessons. Understanding personal pronouns. Let's first understand what personal pronouns are and how they are used. Personalpronouns are words that replace people, animals, or things in a sentence. Ich, I. Ich. Used to refer to oneself. Du, you. Informal. Du. Used to address someone informally, like a friend or family member. He. Ihr. Used to refer to a male person or thing. Sie, she. Sie. Used to refer to a female person or thing. Es, it. Es. Explanation. Used to refer to a neutral or inanimate object or animal. Wir, wie. Wir. Used to refer to a group including oneself. Ihr, you. Plural or formal. Ihr. Used to address a group informally or a single person formally. Sie und they. Sie. Used to refer to a group of people or things. Personal pronouns can also appear in different cases, such as nominative, accusative, and dative. In this lesson, we'll focus on the nominative forms. Nouns in singular and plural. Now, we will also look at noun substantives and how they are used in singular and plural forms. Haus, Haus. Singular, Haus. Plural, Häuser. Explanation. A noun referring to a single house singular or multiple houses plural. Auto, car. Singular, Auto. Plural, Autos. Explanation. A noun referring to a single car singular or multiple cars plural. Buch, book. Singular, Buch. Plural, Bücher. Explanation. A noun referring to a single book singular or multiple books plural. Using personal pronouns and nouns in sentences. Now, let's look at how to use these personal pronouns and nouns in sentences. Ich habe ein Buch. I have a book. Ich habe ein Buch. Explanation. Using ich, I in a singular noun Buch, book. Fährt ein Auto. He's driving a car. Fährt ein Auto. Explanation. Using he in a singular noun Auto, car. Wir sehen Häuser. Wir sehen Houses. Wir sehen Häuser. Explanation. Using we in a plural noun Häuser, houses. Practice exercises. Let's do exercises to practice using personal pronouns and nouns. Personal pronouns practice. Practice using personal pronouns in various sentences. singular and plural nouns. Learn to differentiate between singular and plural forms of nouns. Combining pronouns and nouns. Create sentences that use both personal pronouns and nouns. Today, you've learned the basics of personal pronouns and nouns in both singular and plural forms. This knowledge will help you communicate more clearly and precisely in German. Thank you for choosing Learn German Hub. Until next time.